So today we're going to be programming in Python, and we're doing a tutorial on that. So you do not need any experience in programming whatsoever to understand this tutorial. So let's get going. Alright, so you can use this website called REPL.it. It's a website which is basically an online IDE, and you can program in several programming languages. So let's just get right into it. So let's talk about print statements. So what print statements do is they print uh, stuff onto the screen. So let me show you how to do it. So you just type in print, and then inside parentheses you put whatever you want to do. So you have to print. Say you want to print the number 5. So yeah, it'll print the number 5. What if you want to print a word? So when you print a word, you have to put parentheses around the word. So let's print hello. The reason you need to do this is because the computer needs to know whether it's a word or an integer. So an integer is just a number like 5 or 6, but a string is just like a word, but it can also contain numbers too. But integers cannot contain numbers. Integers cannot contain words like hello. If we do this, we'll get an error. So what we need to do to fix this is we need to put parentheses around our word. So I hope that makes some sense. So we're just printing this word named hello. So let's talk about variables now. So variables are things that store information. So for example, to set a variable, you can just put a random word. I'm going to say greeting, and you put an equal sign and then whatever you want it to be. So I'll make it value 5. And then we can also print this variable. So let's think for a minute. What are we going to get? So it's printing greeting. So you might think it's going to print out the word greeting, but no. It's going to go and get this variable up here and print out whatever it's storing, which is the number 5. So we should get the number 5. And we got it. So you can also do basic arithmetic using Python. So let's set another variable. Actually, no. Let me just show you this real fast. So you can do basic arithmetic in Python, like multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting. So let's do 5 plus 6. That's 11. So what we'll get is the number 11. But what if we put parentheses around the numbers? This turns the numbers into strings. So what this will do, it will add 6 to the front of 5, and we should get 56. But if we remove these parentheses, then we'll get 11.